Hi guys, so here I am dito sa White Beach sa Tapon. Okay, so yan, maligo ako guys. Okay, so there ako lang isa diri guys. Okay, so that's it. Beautiful, beautiful sea, beautiful view here. Nice to look, nice to watch. Okay, so there. Gahapo pa ko guys. Okay. So maligo na lang to. So that's it guys. Okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching. It's a beautiful beach. The cottage of the White Beach. So that one. So there are coconuts planted. Okay, so it's a very big beach here in Tapon. Okay, so there atong i-view, atong i-watch, and the sun is up. Okay, look at mga bata guys, ako na dito nag-iisa. Okay, so that's it. You know, kaya ang gantod guys. So, thank you for watching. Bye, God bless.